So let's work with this exercise. Write the equations for the tangent lines to the graph of this curve that are parallel to this line. As you know, the lines that I'm looking for, they are parallel to this line. That means that they have exactly the same gradient as this line. So let's look for the gradient of this line. If you rearrange terms to make it easier for you, then you will see that here the gradient of this line is just minus 1/2. Okay, so the equations that I'm looking for, I know they are parallel to this one, so I know that the equations I'm looking for will look like this. But how can I do to find that independent value? So I know that these lines are tangent to my function f. So I need to find when the gradient of the tangent line to this function is equal to minus 1/2. That will give me the points that belong to these tangent lines, so I will be able then to find this f. So to find when the gradient of the tangent lines to this curve are equal to minus 1/2, I just need to find the derivative and find when the derivative of this is equal to minus 1/2. What is the problem here? My function f(x) is a quotient of two functions. So to derivate f(x), I need to apply a quotient rule. So we can say that my function f(x) is equal to the quotient of two functions u and v. I know that when that happens, if I apply quotient rule, it's telling me that the derivative is just derivative of u times v minus u times derivative of v, everything divided by v squared. So if my function u in this case was x plus 1, from here I know that derivative of u is going to be, just 1. And for v, I know v is x minus 1, so the derivative of v is equal to also 1. So if I apply this to the formula, I will find that the derivative of x is 1 times x minus 1 minus x plus 1 times 1, everything divided by x minus 1 squared. So this is equal to minus 2 divided by this. So now my next step is going to be to find out when this is equal to minus 1/2.